Morning everyone, the time right now is 8:30 a.m. Woke up about an hour ago again, and today we're going on a bike ride into Bright. So, let's get moving. Okay, I know this vlog wasn't exactly a long one, and it wasn't the best vlog you'll ever see. It basically just a standoff of clips of the bike ride. The bike ride was really fun. I just want to say that the bike ride was very, very fun. I definitely enjoyed it. There wasn't many times where I could pull out the gimbal, set it up, and do a clip. So there's a couple of clips, but not many. Actually, from memory, I think there's one. I don't know. You've already seen it. So anyway, I want to thank you for watching this vlog, and I'll see you tomorrow for when we go.